Here's a quick video on how to replace a battery in your Volvo key fob. You're going to need a small flat Phillips screwdriver. This is a PH0 and also one of the 2032 batteries. You can get this off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. I'll take it straight there. First, you need to remove this mechanical key. Do that by sliding this latch over and pulling the key out. Next, there's a little Phillips screw right in there. Go ahead and remove that. And then you can just take your fingers and gently separate these. Take your screwdriver here, or here rather, pry out the dead battery. Make sure you place your new battery positive side facing downward. Just clip it into place like that. Now when you put these back together, you want to make sure this is all lined up like that. Give it a good snap. Let's go ahead and put our screw back in. Make sure that cinches up right there. Replace your key, and you're all set. There's no need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button.